Monthly income statement projection, monthly tutorial and instructions. The monthly income statement and profit and loss projection is typically done for startups. This is a report that indicates the revenue and income and expenses of the company in an initial period of the projection time, monthly. The statement reveals the net income and profit or loss the company has for each month of the initial projected time period. The template has an income statement projection monthly detail pasted into the business plan Word document for an initial time period. This statement is taken from the Excel workbook. Users of the Plug-and-Plan template and its accompanying Excel workbook are welcome to use the sample figures as a guide to create their own statement projections.